Get the bird.
Go find him. Look good. Get in there.
I hear one, yeah. Get him.
Oh, that was a good GoPro hit too.
Hunter, here. Hunter, come. Come.
You see one?
Hunter, here. Here. Find a bird. Look good. Look good. Where is he? Hunter, come. Leave it.
Fuck. He's going in our field. Find a bird. Oh, Jesus.
Johnny! Chase! I think we doubled up on that one. Come on, good boy.
That one's probably not edible.
Hey, you get that on video?
Oh, yeah.
Come here. Bring it here. Fetch it up. Come on. Come on. Bring it here. Hunter, come. Bring it here. Come. Bring him here. Fetch it up. Let's go. Come on.
That is
Come
devastated.
Here. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, Jen, I would say that you, wait, although luckily I think you stick the back off the presses. See that?
Good boy, Hunter.
You got full choke in there? 15 yards behind you. And I got, I think, improved cylinder. The modified, so I'm shooting pretty wide. And I'm like, I think that's what you have. I think you got a good one. Didn't fly far.
Don't let him run.
Hunter, there he is. Get that bird. Get that bird, Hunter. There he is.
Hunter, this way.
Hunter, get the bird.
Right here.
Hunter.
There we go. This way.
Get on top of it. Uncle John, get ready. Hunter, right here. Right here.
Whoop.
There he is. I'm going to flush him out.
Yeah,
Hunter, find the bird. Let's hope that wasn't with the 3-inch bag.
it was.
I think we both got him. Hunter, come here. Come here. Bring the bird.
Hey, I got one right here, but I don't know what it is. It might be dead already.
Bring the bird, Hunter.
It's not moving.
Hunter, that one didn't move either. We're on top.
No, like,
Hunter, give. Hold on. Wait. Hunter, bird. Drop it.
isn't that something? Looks like a partridge. It's like white. Like 5 steps. Keep coming. Another step or 2. What, Billy, this way?
Oh, yeah, it's blood. Nice eye.
Yeah, let's go back and do it again. Good boy. Let me have my bird. Good boy. Drop. Give. Good boy. It's a hen, yeah. It was not even moving its head or anything. Hunter, go over there. Billy, calm.
Hunter, come here.
B-Dog, get ready. Get your safety off.
Ready? Here it goes.
B-Dog, get it. Yeah, next time, step back.
Not on that one. Look it in.
Brian! Did you get it that time? Did you get it? I did. I got you missing.
I'm gonna walk right here with David.
Guys are done already up there. They're back by the. Those guys are back by the cars now. Hopefully they're scaring them door to door.
Get him, Hunter. Get him. Get the bird. Get the bird.
Brian, smoke this thing.
Get it. Go get it. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Get him. Get him. Get him.
B-Dog! Magnum rounds, baby! Woo! I smoked the shit out of him. Huh? I let Brian have his fair share. Oh. I kept pounding too.
At first I did the duck.
Good boy, Hunter. Good boy. It's still alive. Good boy. That's a good boy. See?
Drop it. Drop it.
Really? Give it here. Give it here.
Drop
Give.
it.
Give.
Give.
Here, just let go of it. Hunter, give it here.
Give.
Give. Good boy. Good boy. Give. Give.
Another bonus bird.
Give. Thank you. Give.
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 You're just like pointing in the sky.
Hunter, no.
Knock
Give.
it off.
Right in there. Find it. Find it. Look good. Get in there.
Where is he? Find him.
Take him in there, Billy. Up over.
Come on, Hunter.
Hunter, get in there.
Here's one right here. Hunter, here. Hunter, come. Come. Watch John right here. Hunter, here. Here. Find a bird. Look good. Look good. Where is he? John. Hunter, come. Come. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
Missed that one pretty good.
You had it there, man. So I was letting you shoot. You told me. I know. Good boy.
Did it go in our field?
Yeah. I think it's down in our field. Come here, Hunter.
That was the one.
Hunter, here. Here. Leave it. Come.
Yeah, that was the one I saw.
Happy about the one I saw.
Fuck.
Come on.
Hey.
Good boy.
Didn't eject. Pat.
Pull it back.
What?
Pull it back.
Hunter, get the bird. Hunter. There we go. That's right on top of it.
Uncle John, get ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hunter, that way. Go. Right there. Find the bird.
Right here. There it is. I'm gonna flush him out. Get ready. Ready,
Yeah,
guys?
Hunter, find the bird. Let's hope that wasn't with a 3-inch mag. It was.
I think we both got him.
Billy, take that from
Hunter, come here. Come here.